Okay, I'm gonna keep this short. This is David at Everlasting Media. I want to show you guys what I've been working on. So this is the 2-color benchy from Printables. You can see, actually this is from Bambu Lab, but the same thing's on Printables. This is the 2-color benchy. It printed in about 6 hours, and it printed that long. I know this is a fast printer. It printed that long because of all the color changes. 170 color changes, 240 layers. I got confused there. Sorry about that. 0 interventions. This isn't the first print. These are the first prints that required 0 interventions. So this one came out extraordinarily well. It's not a thread gauge, but it's like a screw length gauge. And then let's see, is this the one? This isn't it. That one actually printed well. Is this the one? This is the one. Okay, so this one is when I was using this PTFE. It's transparent, but it is rigid. It is too tough to use. That is the original PTFE that was in the machine. And you can see right there that there's a little kink right there. That was actually flattened. It's changed now because I actually ran my fingers over it, smoothed it out, but it was flattened and it was applying a lot of pressure onto the machine. I believe that was already installed in the machine when I got it. I could be wrong. I had some help putting this machine together. It's entirely possible myself or my daughter may have flattened the PTFE getting shoved into the pass-through port in the back of the machine. Either way, I take full responsibility for that, and it was a cheap replacement. That's what, like $5? I don't know. I got this PTFE from MatterHackers. I believe I got 2 lengths that long from MatterHackers for like $10, plus shipping $15. Oh well. Went ahead and installed it. I removed the short stack, popped the tube off of the cable clips. Oh, by the way, the process for figuring out where the problem was. So this little grommet right here pops off, and then you can stick your Allen key into the AMS. And when you stick it into the AMS, you just press it next to the PTFE tube that's there, and it will pop loose. And then I ran filament from the PTFE all the way through the pass-through port, all the way up into the extruder, and we found resistance at each of the couplers going into the machine. But at the point where it actually passes through the wall was where the most resistance was, which is where this flattened and crimped part of the PTFE was. So I went ahead and removed that PTFE, tried the transparent PTFE that I had there, but it was too high friction and it caused some under extrusion and warping off the bed with this part right here. Focus. So then I went ahead and replaced it with the MatterHackers PTFE, which is much lower friction point, and perfect bed adhesion and perfect numbers, no interventions, but it's only 1 color change because these are raised numbers. Oops. This one is 170 color changes, 240 layers, 6 hours, 0 interventions. Ever since that PTFE got swapped out, I ordered some cap tubes PTFE just in case this PTFE doesn't work out. Besides, it's consumable, so I'll end up using it on one of my machines eventually. But that's pretty much it. That is what solved the problem. I went ahead and removed the short stack. I do have this little guy, I don't remember what it's called, installed. That's the Zerui Shining Firefly Green Purple PETG. Used that just to stiffen it coming out of the extruder, but then I put the glass top back on. That was installed while I did all these prints, and it worked fine. So now I'm going to call this machine up and running. It's good to go. This is going to be printing quite a bit over the next few days because I have a lot of work to do. I need parts for blue. Purple is about to get a whole new rework. Violet, she's about to get powder coated. Since this machine's up and running now, I promised I would go ahead and get that done. So I'm going to be stripping Violet down to her frame and taking all the screws out, basically doing a full disassembly. And then I'm going to be taking all of the big metal parts. The frame is going to go to a friend of mine. They installed my elevator. They're going to go ahead and acid bath and then powder coat that for me. She's going to come back with, I believe it's called Dragon Scale Purple. I don't remember what it's called. I believe it's Dragon Scale Purple from Columbia Coatings. And we're gonna go ahead and get that powder coated, brought back, reassembled. And in the meantime, I'm gonna be working on finishing the upgrade for the matrix install for blue. I know it's been forever, it's been months, and I haven't got it done. That's on me, that's my fault. But I'm working on it, I'm gonna get it done. And I've got a lot more work in the process. I've also been working on videos for you guys. My daughter just turned 17. We just had a trip up to New Jersey for a belated Christmas family get together. I posted a picture of that a while ago of all of us together. So that was wonderful. So I've been busy guys. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. If you don't like my content, please let me know. If there's anything I can do to improve, I'd love to know about it. I accept all forms of criticism. You can't hurt my feelings. You can only hurt my time. This has been David at Everlasting Media, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.